for sales. Right, Hunter?
State park, yeah, that's right.
And we're gonna see if they said they heard people in here, like whispering and all that, but they checked the stalls. Nobody was in there.
Yeah.
Are you creeped out? I am.
No.
That's actually a true story. Okay.
Well, let's get started.
Okay. This is an abandoned stall, right? Okay. Was that you? Yeah, that was. Okay. Looks like nobody in there. Okay. Oh my God! Look what they left. What is that?
It's the ghost.
No, it ain't. No, it ain't. Okay. Oh, did you do that? No, it's you because you're laughing. I'm not kidding, Hunter. This is abandoned, remember? Oh, that goes to the girls' bathroom. Should we go check the girls' bathroom after? You want to?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. See, there's nobody in here. Did you just make that noise?
Hunter.
Jesus. Are you laughing? We gotta get out of here. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, guys. We're gonna go check the girls. Checking the girls, okay?
Okay, I'm not afraid of them.
What?
Let's run.
I'm really afraid of them.
Let's go.
We have to check.
Hang on, we gotta wait. Okay. So, guys, this is number 2. Should we go in the women's?
Okay.
Yeah, you want to?
Hey, you girls, take
this.
and go look. Go look in there.
No, actually, I will. We will. Let's go.
Yeah.
We'll come with you. Are you even allowed in here? Okay. Looks like all that is abandoned, and I gotta get out here before somebody catches us. Hurry, hurry, before somebody catches us. Okay, guys.
Catches up.
Somebody coming?
Brandon.
Where?
It's that way.
What do you mean?
That right there.
The bike truck? No. Hey, Brandon. Okay, guys. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna check out my campsite. Remember when Autumn? Remember me and you and whoever was sleeping? Something threw us off the bed.
Yes.
You guys want to see what was that?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And something.
Okay, guys. We're in my camper.
Brandon, can you tell him about the witch?
Oh yeah. Hang on. Okay, guys. I told him about the witch thing. Have you ever heard about the witch thing? Can you please tell me? Hearing more about it.
Oh my God.
So this is right here. I don't know if this camp can be even haunted. We think campers can be haunted, right?
And a little one.
Oh yeah, that was right. Remember Autumn? We saw the person right up there. Remember Hunter? You saw the person. Remember seeing the person that pulled up in our driveway and went in our camper? It threw us down and ran out. Remember that?
Yeah.
Did you remember?
That was creepy.
Seems like you're staking some. Taking a gun, trying to stab you guys.
Did he take something? He took some of our money, didn't he?
Yeah.
My tummy's hungry.
He took $1,000 if you had it that one.
No. He only had like 30 or 40 bucks. He took mine.
I was scared.
Yeah, but
in
I
my
was-
camper.
What happened?
How do you open these?
Yeah, we're camping like I told you in my other vlog. We're going to be camping.
What's in here?
Your mom. Okay, guys.
Your mom's getting haunted.
That's it of our vlog. Please comment, subscribe, and like.
Hey,
Right?
you need some
And he's new to my channel, Hunter. Hunter Knieven.
and Yoli.
Ready? Ooh, boop.